Welcome to Pokemon Free guys, and today I'm gonna cover up this fact that does Arceus, the literal god of Pokemon, if you didn't know, have 1,000 arms. Now if you didn't know, Arceus Diamond entry says that it shaped the universe with its 1,000 arms. But it doesn't even have one. Like literally, where are its arms? Like a farmer, it just looks like a horse. So yeah. But do you think Game Freak put that intentionally? That only in Pokemon Diamond it has that Pokédex entry. So that makes kind of suspicious to me. And when I just thought it while having food, what does Arceus have 1,000 arms? What can it actually mean? And that time I got to know about some leaks. So first we are gonna cover some facts about Arceus and then I'm gonna tell it to you. And the first fact is that Game Freak did not make Arceus like a literal god. They made it a joke. A literal joke. God is something that no one knows except for the one texture, like literally. But Game Freak didn't know that. What did they do? Is they put the abilities, they put the type, they put the gender, they put the catch rate, freaking catch rate, they put the undiscovered egg group. I'm sorry for any noise if it comes, and then they put even the hatch time. You could get Ashi's eggs. This is from Bulbapedia, guys. I am not sure. There's the height, there's the weight, something like 320 kg. There's EXP yield, there's leveling rate, there is EVL, shape, this Pokédex color, this is footprint, and this base friendship. Oh my god. Game Freak, I didn't think that you were so good at this. Literally. And these are all the Arceus forms if you didn't know. Okay. And there is the no plate form. Then there's the fifth plate or the Fightinium Z, the sky plate or the Flyinium Z, toxic or poisonium, earth or groundinium, stone or rockium, and like that, or Z crystals or the plates. Now currently you cannot get Arceus. You could get it in any event because it's a mythical Pokemon, not a legendary. So that's something that Game Freak did perfectly. But they should have given Ashe some kind of ability like Pokeball restriction. That means or ball restriction. That means you can't throw Pokeballs at it or Master Balls or anything at it. So it becomes like some kind of event Pokemon and you can't catch it in some kind of randomized stuff. But yeah, Game Freak did that. So now we're gonna find some more leads. So apart from the abilities, the types, and everything that every Pokemon have, Arceus freaking has stats that's lower than a freaking Ultra Necrozma and Eternatus, and it has type resistances and type weaknesses. So what does that mean? Now the only Pokemon that are stronger than Arceus through base stats are Ultra Necrozma and Eternatus, which both need humans. Like literally. They both need humans. Like they can't come an Ultra Necrozma just can't come hanging around like that. No. It needs and for an Ultra Necrozma to come to life, it freaking needs energy. Without energy, it can't have. And Arceus just give it a little bit of energy so that it uses only once. So Arceus just balanced that stuff. And by making Ultra Necrozma not its sword and shield. But what about Eternatus? So Eternatus was also one of the rarer Pokemon. You could not find it till the end of the story. So what Arceus made is it made it a very old Pokemon, and then finally only Rose, the chairman, the he may now be a prisoner, guys. I don't care know about that, but he's the chairman. He was the one who awakened Eternatus, and Eternatus is okay, I guess, but in its Eternamax form, it has base stats higher than 1000. Like literally, that's the toughest part of Sword and Shield. Oh, yeah, that's the only tough part of Sword and Shield. So a base 1000 stat. Not kidding, 500 dope, 600 getting through it, 700 okay, 800 so P 100 1000 11,052. Oh wait, 1152. This is OP as hell. That's your reaction, guys. So if anyone could not be eaten at us, you probably suck, because you get teamed up with hop two legendaries and then you beat that. I don't know how can't you beat that. If anyone whites out, I don't know how. And without battling the trainers, I better even speed runners beat them, people. It's easy. Even the toughest part is position. But I'm not coming telling the theory that it's weaker. What I'm actually telling that to awaken Satan at its form, it needs life energy of Pokemon, and that's what is restricted in the entire Pokeverse. So Arceus made that truthfully. I mean, Arceus created Eternatus, but made it weak and made it into a strong form with energy. So if you don't give it energy, it's gonna be weak like that forever. And Arceus has no threats, he's just chilling around nicely. So that's something that Arceus has taken care of. He has nothing to fear about. And then after that is that we are gonna go through the entire Pokédex entries. And it's in the diamond you know Pokédex entry that it said it is described in the mythology as a Pokemon that shaped the universe with its 1000 arms. Now, before I go to my theory, which I'm gonna finalize now, let me just show it to you. Now, there's nothing, no way, it is no way this described 1000 arms. No, 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 no. And something that makes Ashit's more tougher is to hatch an egg, you need steps to walk. So if Arceus didn't born as an egg, Arceus didn't born as an egg, guys. It's completely true. I've covered that. We need steps to hatch an egg. There was no person at that time, literally. But what makes this so complicated about the diamond aspect of it is what's there in Pokemon Diamond is not there in any other game. It's not the legendary Dialga, it's not anything. But what's actually not there is a place where you can catch Dialga in its home place. That is a original Dialga. What I mean by original Dialga is a place that Arceus the first time created Dialga. So according to my theory, Arceus created Dialga, the first Dialga in Pokemon Diamond universe. I don't know which universe it is, but in the universe. It created the first Palkia in the Pokemon Pearl universe. And it created the first Giratina in the Pokemon Platinum universe. So you could see that and catch the Pokemon. Because they don't know anything about themselves. You got it? Nice. But what makes this more tough is that why the original Dialga? What does this have to do with Arceus's 1000 arms? Now you're seeing a idiom, small thing over here, and a clock. Now if I just tell you, sometimes in life something when you hear, it doesn't mean that that has to be true. Whatever information is given, it doesn't have to be true. Like Crown Tundra being below Swordenshield. That's completely stupid. Like literally. You are just saying it's in the victory road, it's snowy over there. Stop doing fake leaks, people. No, that's inappropriate. If Crown Tundra isn't above Sword and Shield, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna not post videos for a week. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna post videos for a week. Okay, I'm just lying over there, but yeah, let me think what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna inform you. Maybe I'll type cardboard 1,000 times. I'm gonna type Game Freak is the best 1,000 times. Alright, that's what I can do. That's for the punishment. So, other than that, Now what 1000 arms actually means is arm also mean hand, and sometimes thousand. It doesn't mean literally thousand, it means many, 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 many. And in a clock, you see there are three hands in a clock: the second hand, the minute hand, and the hour hand. Now, what does this actually mean? Is that the hand it is referring to? It means a clock. A clock. In a clock, wait. In a clock, there are like lots of minutes. How many hour minutes are there in an hour? You may tell 60. Do that into 24. Okay, you get X. I'm not going to do the calculation. Then multiply that with 60 because each minute has 60 seconds. So we are going to take the 60 seconds. So it's X into 60, which is 60X. That is 60 into 60. That is 3600 into 24. You can do the maths if you want. And those thousands of them, those minutes of what it means. All those thousand revolving times all around mean that Arceus created Dialga first time in the Diamond universe. That's why a person, the first person, saw Arshis creating Dialga, and there were all those clocks around. He thought it was time, he thought they were hands, and he told the Pokédex entry as Arceus created a world with 1,000 arms. Because and Arceus too told him, don't tell to anyone or else I may be leaked to everyone. So what's that theory of mine is Arceus created the entire universe with not his 1,000 arms, but actually it created a universe with a Dialga. And Dialga created the entire universe. And that's in Diamond. And in Pearl, he created Palkia. So in its Pearl, only in its Diamond entry it's known as with his 1,000 arms. But in the other generations, it's not told. So the person who was first born in Diamond noted that down and passed down for the entire generations, because that is why human beings will be so intelligent. And he took the time aspect as a hand, and people took those hand aspect as an arm, and now they took that arm aspect as 1,000 arms, and thus the Pokédex entry came. It is described in mythology that Arceus created the entire universe with his 1,000 arms, in which 1,000 arms implies two. It created a universe with a Dialga. So I hope my theory helped you guys. I don't know why I'm doing this stuff. Pokemon is not something as theoretically, it's a fictional series. It's not like something that's actually real, but I guess many people would be confused why Arceus has 1,000 arms and just start rumoring about it. But that's not actually true. That's something that I actually got to know. So I hope you like my theory. It's something like 30 minutes long. When I finish the video, maybe 14. And I think it's gonna be pretty good, I guess, as a theory. I completely support it. I don't know if there's anything that takes down my theory. If you want any screenshots, I don't know why would you want it. These are just positive videos. Or you can check out Bulbapedia, guys. Just type Arceus in Bulbapedia, you get all the information. Don't trust Cerebi. So that's my video, guys. I'm sorry for not telling trust to Cerebi. I trust Cerebi all the time as a literal joke, and I'm gonna see you in the next.